Hi guys, we will do an unboxing and comparison of the newest 2024 collection and also the 2022 up to 2024 collection. So here it is, ang gaganda nila. So you know the good thing about Gentle Monster, every year they released different packaging. So nakikita niyo every year din nag-unbox ako ng different packaging para makita ninyo yung differences nila. And then of course para ma-excite kayo kung ano yung mga sizes and then style na kukunin ninyo. So here it is. I know you'll love this. So if you are interested guys, please send us a message. So sisimulan na natin. Okay, so I will start with the 2024 collection and then one of my current bestseller, the Pino KC1. Mas mabenta siya kaysa sa Pino 01. So you see the size, it's so right for you, not too big frames and not too so small. So the color is khaki, alluring khaki frame. So look at the style and then also the size, not too big, no? Ang ganda, oh. Pareho lang sila ng Tommy, which is, Tommy is known as small. Ayan, so you see the Pino. Ang ganda nito pag may naisip yung isang client, sobrang bagay na bagay sa kanya. And then at the back, they have the newest style as well, the staples. What you call this one? The staples. And then also the emboosted Gentle Monster. Look at the Gentle Monster emboosted on it at the back. Yan yung kagandahan sa Gentle Monster because every year they release different colors and then different sizes and also different style. And then makikita ninyo yung pagkakaibahan nila. Ayan yung Pino. And then also the packaging. And then look at the second one. This is one of my current bestseller. I since 2022 bestseller na siya. So it's Tommy 01 and then up to Tommy PC1 is one of my bestseller because hindi siya malaki. Kasi not everyone likes the big frames, diba? So here it is, the Tommy PC1. So this is one of my bestseller kasi it's green frame. Hold on. Let's see the frame. Ang ganda ng frame niya. So this is 2022 collection. Na-release siya noong 2022. Tingnan niyo yung sa likod. It's Gentle Monster with the dot, the pins at the back. Gentle Monster boosted on it. It's not printed. You see, ang ganda, no? And then at front, makikita yung style made in China. And then the blah blah blah. And also lahat. Ayan, detailed. So nice. The Tommy PC1. Yan, I love this model. I really love this model. Pwede siya for indoor outfit and then for outdoor. Napaka eco-friendly niya. Diba? Ang ganda. And then the size. And then the third one, ang ganda nito, the Pino. And then the third one, the 2023 model, one of my bestseller as well, the Musi. So it is available for Musi 01, also the khaki frame, and then this one. The color of the frame is black and then you see the lens niya ay color blue. So if you are familiar with Y2K fashion, so ito yung suot nila, the Musi. So it's blue lenses niya nito. Ang ganda kasi sa araw makikita na it's like a clear frame and then for the sinuot mo na siya for indoor, napaka blue niya, light blue yung color ng lenses niya. So I love this as well. Yan, naganda. I love this. Ay, oh, hold on. Tingnan natin sa likod. Yung 2023. Ayan yung 2023. It's so plain. Diba? Ang ganda, no? Ang kagandahan din sa Gentle Monster, they release different style and then different logo. So, makikita ninyo talaga yung kung saan siya nagmulang collection from 2022, 2021, or the 2023, or the 2024. So, madidistinguish niyo siya kung saan siya na collection. So, this one. So, first time, I have to introduce you the bestseller and then one of my favorite Grabe, nastaan ako dito ah. Ang ganda oh, sa likod, it's Gentle Monster. So it's like the Dada 01, which is you've seen it on Queen of Tears. So yan yung bago nilang logo for Gentle Monster. Ang gaganda. Grabe. So this is the 2024 collection, and then it's more on the retro style. So it's like the Lee 01, and then nakikita ninyo yung Tambo 01. Sila yung magkapapareho. So ang pagkakaibahan nila is of course the logo sa likod. So ang ganda ng 2024 release, the Savage 01. The name of this model is Savage 01, and it is available. Ang ganda nito. If you are wearing this loose style or loose outfit, you'll love this. You're gonna pair this Savage 01 on your style, on your outfit. It will match. Ang ganda nito. The Savage 01, and then the last one, of course, na-introduce na natin to, diba? And then of course, padaanan muna natin again. The Navi 01, as seen on Queen of Tears, worn by the Kim Jong, which is the naming niya, played Hong Hai-in in Queen of Tears. So this one, yung suot niya. Ang ganda nito sa mga loose style, and then also for the, para sa akin yung mas bago siya sa mga loose style or the dress. Ang ganda tingnan nito. The Navi 01, one of my requested and bestseller for 2024 collection. This one. So if you are interested, guys, please send us a message. And of course, this one this model na in-introduce ko for today, these are all available. So the Pino KC1, the Tommy KC1, and then the Musi 01BL, and then the Savage 01, and the last one is the Navi 01.